2020, the COVID-19 pandemic caused the widespread temporary closure of businesses, schools, and institutions that were deemed non-essential. As these entities prepared to begin to reopen, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention released guidance for cleaning and disinfecting public spaces, workplaces, businesses, schools, and homes. The CDC guidance is intended for all Americans, whether they own a business, run a school, or want to ensure the cleanliness and safety of their home. As stated by the agency, reducing the risk of exposure to COVID-19 by cleaning and disinfection is an important part of reopening public spaces that requires careful planning. According to the CDC, cleaning and disinfecting public spaces requires developing a plan, implementing the plan, and maintaining and revising the plan. The CDC recommends people first develop a plan by evaluating the workplace, school, home, or business to determine what kinds of surfaces and materials make up that area. Most surfaces and objects will need just normal routine cleaning. However, frequently touched surfaces and objects, like light switches and doorknobs, will need to be cleaned and then disinfected to further reduce the risk of germs on surfaces and objects. Once a plan is in place, it's time to take action. Read all manufacturers' instructions for cleaning and disinfection products that will be used. Wear gloves and other required personal protective equipment to begin the process of cleaning and disinfecting. The agency's general framework for cleaning and disinfection practices includes first clean the surface or object with soap and water, then disinfect using an EPA-approved disinfectant. If an EPA-approved disinfectant is unavailable, one can use a third cup of bleach added to 1 gallon of water, or 70% alcohol solutions to disinfect. Do not mix bleach or other cleaning and disinfection products together. The CDC suggests that people continue to update their plan based on updated guidance and their current circumstances. This can be achieved by continuing routine cleaning and disinfecting, maintaining safe behavioral practices, and by considering practices that reduce the potential for exposure. These are just a few of the many things to know about cleaning and disinfecting public spaces provided in the CDC's reopening guidance. To learn more about this or other environmental, building science, infection control, health, or safety issues, please visit the website shown on the screen.
IAQ TV, the place to be.